Waibo Naik, no? And constable together was he? Damu what?
Naik
गाडी मारली बरे बरे रे हांव चोयता म्हळ्यार तशें करून जायना न्हू तें गाडी मारू म्हणटरी बरें हांव चोयता म्हणून
It's just my pup, which I had given this kind family to adopt, and they really, with a good, big, kind heart, they had really taken care of that dog, which they named Sophie. Unfortunately, she passed away in the accident, and immediate when he told me, I went to the hospital to visit them, and trust me, her state is very, very bad. She's very critical. I have seen what Pratima has told, each and every detail, her liver, her kidney, her blood clot, and today the latest update is she's having multiple blood clots in her brain. And the CT scan is also not possible because she's just undergone, I think, a big open surgery. So I'm saying she should get justice. She should get justice. I mean, it's a humanity, what we just ask for, humanity. And I think we should follow rules, even if you have not followed rules, but there is something called as sympathize with the family, come to see them. Some responsibility is there, it's not there. Okay, coming to the point when it comes to the DSPCA, yes, we are filing a complaint with the Prevention of Animal Cruelty, and they will follow their protocol as per their rules very shortly. Yeah.
Pratima is to Moscow police station आयला कितें इशू आणि what is this protest regarding?
See, it's such a shame, that we had to come here, march towards the Vasco police station. If I'm not mistaken, the PI is Vaibhav Bhau. हांगा PI आसा खंय वैभव भाव, I don't know मिटिंगाक गेला खंय, खंयचे प्रोटेस्ट जावं, खंयचे ग्रिवियन्स घेवन गेल्यार आख्या गोंयभर आमकां हेंच आयकून येता की पुलीस खंय तरी मिटिंगाक गेला, खंयचोय रँकाक आसूं. आतां दुसरो म्हणटा तो आमी मेळ्ळो, कोण मेळ्ळो? म्हाका जाय आशिल्लो तोच मनीस मेळ्ळो. तो म्हणटा तो दामोदर मायेकर, son of Ganpat Maikar, who 46 years old, who is a constable here. Now this is regarding one case. आमची जी भयण ताजें नांव जावन आसा रानी बीन. ताजो व्हडलो भाव अजय, ताजी धाकली भयण रेखा आनी ताजी दुसरी भयण गीता. आतां ही बायल रानी, I can't call her a lady, because I can say a girl, yeah, because she's unmarried. अंकवार चली ती 35 yearsची. वयर आपल्या पेट डॉग म्हणून सोफी म्हणून ताजेर कुत्रे आशिल्ले आनी रावताली चिकाली, दे स्टे इन चिकाली. सो एवरी इवनिंग वी हॅव टू टेक आर डॉग्स फॉर अ स्ट्रोल, भोंवपाक म्हणून तिणें खंय सुण्याक भायर काडलें आनी ती आपल्या रस्त्यार वताली. रस्त्यार वतसना ती खंय आपल्या सायडीन वताली, सगळे मर्यादा सांबाळून, सगळे रस्त्याचे ट्रॅफिक रुल्स बीन सांबाळून. आनी ते इंटरसेक्शन आसा न्ही खंय ते ICICI बँका कडेन, ते खंय सायडीन रावले एंड शी वॉज वेटिंग विथ द डॉग टू क्रॉस. फ्रॉम नो वेअर इट सीम्स somebody comes, रॅश ड्रायव्हिंग, सारको रॅम आयलो, इतलो ओवर स्पीडिंग that he God knows whether he was flying, or God knows whether he thought that he was flying a jet and he was in the space or something. आयलो असले रॅम्प मारले खंय की ते खंय कुत्र्याक घेवन आशिल्ली हेंची भयण राणी. ही वॉज विथ द डॉग, शी वेंट ऑन द डॉग एंड ऑन राणी विदाउट हॅविंग एनी मर्सी, फटाक करून. that the dog is fully damaged, brain damage जावन dog Sophie died on the spot. Their pet died on the spot. Secondly, go to see आमची भयण राणी कावार सारकेंच इतलें हें जालें खंय that people saw what is happening म्हणून. The dog is lying there, blood in the pool of blood. This lady is flapping herself. It's like she's almost gone. People saw, it seems, but go to see this fellow, it seems, उल्हास नायकाचें नांव, हो गाडी चलयतालो, हो चिकाळीचो सांकवाळाचोच खंय. कोण तो उल्हास नायक, तो कळपाक जाय. उल्हास नायक खंय असले, हांकां मारले आनी मुखार गेले खंय आनी 2 टॅक्सी, एक अर्टिगा गाडयेक मारले खंय आनी दुसरे म्हणटा ते टॅक्सीक मारले खंय. आमचे कडेन विटनसी आसा, ते सगळे आसा. रॅश ड्रायव्हिंग जाता म्हूण लोक सगळो एकठांय जालो खंय. ते HDFC कडेन खंय तरी तर लोक एकठांय जालो आनी खंय तरी एक चाय दुकान हे ना, कॅफे इज देयर, कॅफे. So that one of the girl who is working or boy working knows him, called up and said, it seems, Ari Rani, your sister is dying here. There's a bad accident and it looks like your dog is dead. He's died. He rushed to the place. It seems people didn't wait for ambulance and all. एका दोन कोणे हापायलो, लोकांनी कित्याक धांवून वतालो. मारला ते मारल्या. Accident, okay, we understand. It is not deliberately done. We don't have anything against them personally. Accidents happen, but then where is humanity gone? You are killing them and you are running from the spot. and then going further and trying to throw another 2 people. तूं खंयचो रे, तूं कोण रे, कोणाच्या इन्फ्लुएन्साचेर नासता रे. आनी मागीर खंय हेज्या भयणीक व्हेलें, चिकाली हॉस्पिटलान व्हेल्यार कळ्ळें खंय क्रिटिकल हेजें आनी कांय जावपाना, उरपाना म्हूण सांगलें आनी GMCत शिफ्ट केलें. आतां तुमकां एक सांगता, कित्याक वायट दिसता. 40 जाणां फकाणां करतलीं, हें कित्याक उसडटा, हेजें कित्याक म्हजें रगत सिसता म्हणून सांगूं येना दामोदराक. तो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर आसा रावन हांसून उलयता म्हणजे तुका काळीज ना, तुका बायल भुरगीं ना रे, हें कितें चल्लां तुमचें. अरे तेका खंय चेकाली व्हेलें तेन्ना इमिजिएटली व्हर म्हणलें खंय GMCत व्हेल्यार ती बाबडे राणी जायस हूज बॅटलिंग नो फॉर लायफ, आमची व्हडली भयण, हो भाव आनी एक भाव भायर आसता, ही भयण धाकली, ही भयण पळय रेखा, गीता, अजय. इट सिम्स वेन दे वर व्हेरी स्मॉल their mother she was battling with pancreatic cancer, right. ताच्या आवय खंय कॅन्सर जालें आनी कॅन्सर जालें आनी जबाबदारी त्या व्हडले भयणीचेर पडली, हेजे व्हडले भयणीचेर राणीचेर. हेंकां कोण पळयतलो, आवय मरून गेली रोखडेच 2 वर्सांत, बापायक खंय कार्डियक अटॅक येवन तो मरून गेलो. सो शी सॅक्रिफायस्ड अ लायफ फॉर ऑल दीस 4 siblings. डोंट क्राय. 4 siblings शी बॅटल्ड अ लायफ, सॅक्रिफायस्ड अ लायफ. सगळें आपलें कितें आसा तें खंय भुरग्यांक न्ही, हेंकां पोवपाक लायलें, हेंकांय पोटाक लायलें, कामाक लायलें, एंड शी स्टेड अनमॅरीड just to take care of this 4. And today, you know what? When we went to the hospital, what we come to know? The girl is in the ICU. ताजे कांयच प्लेसीन ना. ताजे ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला, ब्रेन क्लॉट जालो आसा, ब्रेन डॅमेज जाला, स्कॅल्प ताजे डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा, ताजी छाती, रिब्स तांचो पिडो जाल्लो आसा, लिव्हर आसता. जस्ट इमॅजीन मल्टिपल ऑर्गन फेलियर जाल्ले त्या भुरग्याक. जो लिव्हर आसता पळय हांगा, तो लिव्हर खंय हांगा येयला रिब्सां कडेन वयर, आनी तो लिव्हर खंय सर्जरी करपाक म्हूण सकल हाडपाक गेल्यार खंय दोनी किडनी त्या चलयेच्यो फेल जाल्या. बोथ द किडनीज आर गॉन, ऑर्गन फेलियर. वॉट यू एक्सपेक्ट हर टू लीव नाव. सेकंडली ताजो खंय टॉर्सो गेला, ताजे खंय पांयाचे खंय हाडां 3 कुडके जाल्यात, ताजें कांयच ना लायफान. आनी वर्स म्हणटा ते रडटा, बोव मारून रडटा, ताजें जायना, ताजें डिसलोकेशन जाल्लें आसा, खंय दोनी हिप्स डिसलोकेट जाल्या, ताजे खंय जॉ देखून डिसमेंटल जाला. जॉ डिसमेंटल जाला म्हणून खंय आतां ते बॉब मारता, तेजें जायना म्हणून खंय ताजें वॉट, ताजें टांग आनी जॉ खंय शिवला. जस्ट इमॅजीन वॉट वॉज अ मिस्टेक, वॉट शी हॅड डन, वॉट क्रायम शी हॅड डन. एंड द ब्लडी पर्सन हू हॅज कमिटेड अ क्रायम इज नायसली कमिंग विथ हिज वायफ. आय डोंट नो वॉट्स रॉंग विथ पुलीस. आय डोंट नो पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट कितें जालां. दॅट डे वीच मॅटर आय टू अजय शिरोडकर लाखांनी पयशे घेवन लोकांक भायर धाडटा म्हणून, ताजी बायल खंय मिसयूज करता म्हणून पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनांत रिमा नायक म्हणून सांगलें. ते गोवाक एक सपोर्ट करता. हांगा आयकपाक येता, दे टोल्ड मी दॅट दिस वन्स वायफ इज इट सिम्स इन द RTO, रायट, RTO ऑफिस. वॉट्स अ नेम? Rupa Naik. Family is telling Rupa Naik खंय, and she is sitting with her husband here it seems. म्हाका सांग, फ्रायडे एक्सिडेंट जालो 7:45, फ्रायडे, सॅटर्डे, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूजडे, 5 days you all could not get that. You all could not arrest that Ullas Naik. Loopholes man, already हे कितें FIR घातल्या आनी 281 सेक्शन लायला BNSSचो, 125 ऑफ इंटू ब्रॅकेट B कितें बेलेबल सेक्शन. बेल मेळटली आयज की आपयलो ताका VIP असो बसयलो, अरेस्ट करता म्हणून आमकां उतर दिलें. आमी पासियन्स काडले. ही म्हाका 3 दीस लागिल्ली फाटल्यान.
To come and ask how is she, because we have seen her struggling, we have seen her screams, the way she was screaming. They didn't even have any courtesy to come and see what she was going through.
Nobody from the culprit's family has approached us till now to check how my sister is doing. Yesterday and today also, the culprit's wife was here and she did not make any effort to ask how she is doing or anything like that. Nobody came to the hospital and the culprit was not arrested since Friday. Today he just came to get the bail, nothing else was done. Then yesterday I came to the police station to inquire about what the progress about this accident and also see what if the report is filed or not. I spoke to Constable Damodar and he told me to write an application and I will get the report copy. So when he presented the report copy, I saw that there was no mention of my dog, and I asked him why it was not mentioned. He just got angry and started scolding at me. He asked me, don't talk too much, and then he directly asked me, in whose support are you speaking? So I do not understand what he meant by that, in whose support you are speaking. I came justice. Whole family is suffering. My sister is battling for life. That we have not eaten and slept properly for last 3-4 days, and the Constable Damodar is scolding me, and then I asked him, I cannot accept this complaint. Then he is like, you go away, just go away, you don't know anything. And then I asked him, either give me my application back or give me the copy. He said, I am not giving you anything, you go away. Then he kept on stressing that in whose support you are speaking. I do not know what he meant by that. Do I need to have some support to seek her justice? My sister is suffering. She is in extremely bad condition. And
See, here is police there. Law and order लागून असता. But I think law and order only has collapsed. Secondly म्हणटा ते पुलिसाची कितें आसता, एक भाव ताजी भयण ती 99% काबार जाल्ली आसा, सगळे पार्ट्स डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा, ताजी भयण्यो तुज्या दारान येवन बसता, हॉस्पिटलांत आसपाचे सुवातेर हांगा येवन तांचो टायम वेस्ट जावपाक लागला. आनी यू ऑल आर नॉट बींग सिम्पथायझींग ना कांय ना, वयल्यान तांकां सुबेज उलयता, कोणाचो पावराचेर उलयता. अरे तुजी भयण मरताली जाल्यार दामोदर तूं असो तुजे कडेन कोणें उलयलें जाल्यार तुका बरें दिसपाचें. म्हाका दिसता तुजी बॉल्सां भरिल्लीं आसा म्हणून तूं म्हजे कडेन हांसून उलयता. शंबरांनी लोक आसा थंय, शंबरांनी लोक. This why they are crying, man? Why these youth cousins, sisters are crying? And madam sang. कितें? CM हांव तुका सांगता प्रमोद सावंत. This is nothing politics. This is about justice. If this Ullas Naik is been sent like this, I have heard there are some people involved and they are talking, it seems. You are not bothered about any sanstha. He belongs to some club, it seems. त्या क्लबातलो लोक फोन मारून सांगता काही तो बरो मनीस रे, आमचो फ्रेंड सगळे आसता बरे, आयज तोय बरो, आयज तेय बरे, हांवूय बरें. पूण समज म्हज्या हातींतल्यान कितें गुन्यांव जाला, हांवें कितें रॉंग केलां, हांवें जबाबदारी घेवपाक जाय, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जाय. आतां फाल्यां ती चली समज गेली म्हणून 12 दीस करतले लोक ते ना. आतां समज ते तशेंच कॅपेज जावन घरा आयले मागीर कितें. सो आय वॉन्ट उल्हास नायक केस चालू आसतली, रॅश एंड नेग्लिजन्स केल्या, तुवें बेल दिला, तुवें कंपेन्सेशन कितें म्हणटा तें दिवपाक जाय. यू हॅव टू, आय एम मेकिंग अ पॉयंट दॅट ही हॅज टू see that he has to clear the bills because life gone, life not taken back. She is a cabbage now, will not get her back. Normal, her life is gone. You have damaged. So the शिराप आणि कित्याक घेता, कितें तरी कर. आमकां we are only waiting for justice. Eldest sister, you would like to say something?
On was on walk with her dog. One speeding car came and dashed her badly, in which the dog died on the spot, and she is critically injured. Her both legs, both her hands, internal organs are damaged, and she is battling for life in GMC. I request CM and our police to take this issue, to take this case seriously and give us justice as soon as possible.
राणीगे भावाक घेवन हांव पुलीस स्टेशनान येयलें कंप्लेन रेजिस्टर करपाक, कित्याक कंप्लेन रेजिस्टर करून आसलोली. सो हांव जेन्ना ताका घेवन येयलें आनी हांव PI कडेन उलयतालें आनी PI वैभव नायक, आय वॉज टॉकिंग टू PI वैभव नायक. आनी मागीर तेजे उपरांत दामोदर उलोवपाक लागलो, कॉन्स्टेबल PC मुकोडे उलयता आसतना म्हाका पुलीस स्टेशना भायल्यान रावून हांवें ते कडेन कांय सांगू ना, कांय म्हणूंक ना, कांय नासतना म्हाका बोटान दाखोवन उलयता, जी ताका उलोवपाची रीत ना. हांव मागता की ते चेडवाक जस्टीस मेळपा आनी पुलिसांक जी रीत ना ती रीत धरून उलोवपाक, एक चेडू मनशा मुखार कितकोन उलोवपाक जाय ते. एंड इट इज व्हेरी नेसेसरी वेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ वुमन, टॉक विथ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट. ओके, दॅट्स ऑल. एंड
असा हांगा हंड्रेड्स एंड मोर आनी येवपाल्या, तांचे यूथ, तांचे फॅमिली येवपाल्या. We will not give up till we get assurance what this family, what support system they are going to give काय म्हणून. That's it. Thank you. I have to speak up because माझे रगत शिजता. एक पण मोरपाल आणि वो कसं सुसेगात उलयता, हात वयर करून
हय, तकलेर आनी हात
पहिले
करून
लुकोस उलयल्या, काय FIR सगळी फाल्स उलयल्या.
रीत ना उलोवपाची.
कोणाच्या फावरार हो, कोणाच्या फावरार आसा हो. मनीस पण ना, ह्युमॅनिटी ग्राउंड्स, ह्युमॅनिटी नायस. मनीस